What's up, guys? In this video we are going to examine how to sell sales funnels. Okay, so how to sell sales funnels, or like a funnel building service. So if you think about it, what is a funnel really? It's really just a promotion. Okay, a funnel is just like a fancy website or a series of connected web pages that are really just trying to sell something or a group of products, right? So it's really like an infomercial or like a promotion. Okay, so what you're going to do, again, two-step cold email process. Step one, one sentence outreach email. Okay, and this is going to be something like, do you guys have any deals going on right now? Do you guys have any promotions for the summer? Right, something like that, that kind of like alludes to, you know, what kind of deals do they get? Like, what are they willing to offer? And 99 times out of 100, they're going to have some deal going on. You know, you're not emailing like Chanel or something that doesn't do deals. Okay, and then they're going to respond, oh yeah, if you know, their response, I don't know, yeah, buy one, get one, whatever. Okay, and then step two, of course, pitch, right? Go into your pitch. Oh, you know, I create funnels, you know, whatever, and just free balling here. I create funnels that are designed to, whatever, I don't know, it's bad. I can make a funnel for you that will sell lots and lots of your products. Yeah, that's basically what you're selling them. And then, when is a good time to get on a call? Tomorrow. Okay, and then, you know, like, again, we're working on volume here, especially if you're using PyGonBot. So if they say no, not interested, like, it's fine. It's just part of the game. You know, even if you contact 100 people and 97 of them say no, not interested, no, not interested, those 3 people who are interested, maybe one of them buys, you know, and you sell a funnel for $5,000 or $2,000 or whatever it is, you know, $500, whatever. You're still making money, you know, so who cares if like 99 people said no? Okay, that's how you sell sales funnels. If you have any questions, let me know.